Greetings. In your Chrome settings, ever notice the message, "Your browser is managed by your organization"? Let's find out the possible fixes. Go to the Chrome policy page. Inspect browser policies to see those controlled by an organization. Open Chrome extensions. Remove any suspicious ones, whether disabled or not in use. Open Windows Registry Editor. Navigate to the displayed registry key. Remove the keys. If your Chrome is synced with a work or school account, disconnect your managed profile. If other solutions fail, reinstall Chrome. This process removes all policies and settings, often resolving persistent issues. One of these solutions should fix the problem.